Flow check. Fuel is on the right. Strobes, beacon, landing light are on. Breakers are still all in. Valve flaps are closed. Gauges are all still in the green. We have information X-ray plan runway 31. Altimeter is 3021.
Cessna 331 to Kilo Boeing Tower. Runway 31 right, clear for takeoff, straight out departure is approved. And traffic taking the runway now, back from parallel runway to Boeing 737, caution wake up. Additional traffic 1 mile north field boundary, inbound helicopter 700 indicated.
Top of descent, we got
the runway Charlie 3 and approved traffic midfield right downwind Cessna and light closed.
Fuel selector is set.
At 5 place land, wind 3010, got 18.
Landing. All we really have left is the landing gear and flaps.
Cessna 766, traffic north field boundary will be landing southeast of the low level helicopter. Runway 31 right, clear for the option, caution wake turbines, global, departing off the parallel runway. Cessna 12 Kilo, traffic ahead to your right and lower, inbound helicopter 600 indicated.
Boeing Tower, Boeing 461 Heavy, experimental holding short of runway 13 right at Bravo 1.
Boeing 461 Heavy, Boeing Tower, enter runway 31 left at Bravo 1. Back taxi is approved, and exit at Bravo 5.
Boeing 461 Heavy, ending the runway Bravo 1, back taxi down to Bravo 5, exit at Bravo 5.
Boeing Tower, Bonanza 1546, Foxtrot, north tip of Vashon, information X-ray landing.
Helicopter 44 Zulu Zulu, no delay, south takeoff, Rainier departure is approved, company Smith Field, touching down opposite direction helicopter.
Boeing Tower 3 through November 94, departure IFR.
Helicopter 40 Zulu, full position.
Boeing Tower, Cessna 756 Alpha Whiskey, Pier 91, inbound with X-ray.
Cessna 756 Alpha Whiskey, Boeing Tower, right traffic runway 31 right, and report being the stadium.
Boeing Tower 3 through November at Alpha 9, ready for IFR.
November 233 November, Boeing Tower, hold forward, turbulence departed global 2 minutes ago.
3 through November, holding.
Cessna 6 Alpha Whiskey, right traffic, runway 31 right. Before being the stadium. Traffic south of the stadium, northwest bound, Cessna 1000 indicated.
6 Alpha Whiskey, right traffic, 31 right, report stadium, looking for traffic.
Cessna 6 Alpha Whiskey, change to my frequency 118.3.
6 Alpha Whiskey.
Cessna 12 Juliet, traffic 11 moving to 12 o'clock, 2 miles, inbound Cessna 1500 indicated.
Boeing Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, north tip of Vashon, information X-ray landing.
Helicopter 4 Zulu Zulu, at 7 clear for takeoff, Rainier departure is approved. Traffic entering the right downwind is Cessna for right close. Helicopter 519 Golf Papa, Boeing Tower, roger. And then 1546 Foxtrot, Boeing Tower. Right, section left traffic, runway 31 left.
Left traffic 31 left, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Cessna 12 Juliet, traffic action inside 12 o'clock, half a mile, 1400 indicated. Falcon, Boeing Tower 118.3 on answer, say yes. Cessna 766, 2 helicopter departing southeast of field, southeast bound. Runway 31 right, clear for the option, winds 290.012, that's 18. Cessna 6378 Mike, Boeing Tower, extreme runway 31 right, report 2 miles southeast field, and squawk 0301. November 233 November, wind 290.011, gust 18, runway 31 left at Alpha 9 at clear for takeoff.
3 through November, cleared for departure.
Cessna 6 Alpha Whiskey, number 2, following Cessna, entering right base for runway 31 right, runway 31 right, clear to land, wind 30010, gust 18. Cessna 78 Mike. ident. Cessna 766, the helicopter is passing Lowell and east now, no faster. Helicopter 400, traffic 6 miles southeast of field, inbound Cessna 1500 indicated. Cessna 78 Mike, squawk 0301, 2 helicopter traffic, south field boundary, southeastbound, low level.
3 green.
That's a 46 Foxtrot, runway 31 left, clear to land, wind 31010, that's 17.
Clear to land, runway 31 left, and 46 Foxtrot.
Helicopter 9 Golf Papa, traffic 5 miles southeast of field, inbound Cessna 1500 indicated.
Boeing Tower, Boeing 461 Heavy experimental, holding short of runway 31 left at Bravo 10.
Boeing 461 Heavy experimental, Boeing Tower, roger, awaiting IFR spacing and IFR release.
Boeing 461 Heavy, we will hold short.
November 233 November, contact our departure, safe flight.
November, thanks.
November 564 Romeo Charlie, Boeing Tower. November 564 Romeo Charlie, squawk 0301 and transition is approved, Boeing 3021.
3 green, profit mixture coming forward, ready to land. Got 3 green.
Cessna 1 Juliet, squawk KBFI.
Boeing Tower, Grumman 76 Go Charlie, northbound Shan, landing X-ray.
November 8 Hotel Charlie, Boeing Tower, left traffic runway 31 left. Citation 650 Kilo Papa, Boeing Tower, roger, number 2 in sequence. Nanza 6, section 46 Foxtrot, turn left or right at the next intersection, then contact ground point center.
You right it off the 946 Foxtrot.
Grumman 76 Fox Charlie, Boeing Tower, left traffic, runway 31 left.
Left traffic 31 left, 76 Go Charlie.
Number 33 November, contact our departure.
1900 north Vashon, inbound for landing with X-ray.
November 33 November, contact our departure.